you fully understand the mystery between Israel and the church in the last days? How did the disconnection between Jew and Gentile in the one new man affect the church and its power? Is there a spiritual reconnection in the family of God that has been hidden from past generations? And is our spiritual reconnection in the one new man towards Israel the missing key that unlocks world revival?
You know, there are already some really good books written about the one new man. But most of the time, those of us who have been given this burden from the Lord to help the church see this spiritual reconnection to Israel and to our Jewish roots, most of the time we're waving this banner in front of the church saying, church, you've got to see this. You've got to understand the significance of this message for this time. The very little is actually written to help us move into it. Romans 9:11 or Romans 9:11 has been written for this purpose. It blows a holy shofar. It sounds a trumpet. It is a comprehensive study book that has been written to address all of the issues to help us reconnect in the one new man between Jew and Gentile, Israel's spiritual awakening, and the last great harvest of souls. The book is written in 4 parts. Part 1 addresses all of the issues of the reconnection. Part 2 presents a picture of a reunited one new man and what this may actually look like. Part 3 presents the obstacles to the reconnection. And Part 4 presents a prayer strategy from the Lord to help us to move into it. Romans 9:11 truly has end-time consequences for us all.